Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. Join me as I share with you all 4 easy stuffed paratha recipes that are also nutritious for you and your family. Hope you enjoy watching. The first one is paneer and cheese stuffed beetroot paratha. Into a bowl, add whole wheat flour, salt, carom seeds or ajwain seeds, olive oil, and steamed and pureed beetroot. And then add water, mix to form a soft dough. Cover and leave it aside. And then move on to prepare the filling. For the paneer filling, this filling will be used for 2 different types of parathas. Into a bowl, add paneer, salt, coriander powder, anardana powder or dried pomegranate powder, paprika powder, amchur powder or dried mango powder, chili flakes, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, and diced red onions. Mix well. Then separate into 2 portions. Into one, I have added grated cheese, and this will be the filling for the beetroot paratha. Cook it with ghee or oil on each side. Beetroot parathas are ready. Beetroot is rich in many minerals and vitamins and is great to be added into your child's diet. For you and the next variation with paneer is paneer and methi stuffed moringa paratha. I'm using the same bowl that I used for the beetroot. Into a bowl, add whole wheat flour, salt, ajwain or carom seeds, moringa powder, olive oil, and water. Need to form a soft dough. Cover and leave it aside. I've used the same base of paneer mix. Instead of cheese, here I've used sauteed methi or fenugreek leaves. Almost every part of the moringa tree is used for medicinal or nutritional purposes and therefore is a great superfood to be added into the diet. And fenugreek is rich in antioxidants and dietary fiber. Hi everyone,
Third one,
hope you all are doing well. Stuffed avocado and curry leaves paratha. For that, into a bowl add whole wheat flour, salt, olive oil, dried curry leaves powder. This was sent by my mother-in-law and has been very useful. Curry leaves are loaded with essential nutrients and are great for gastrointestinal and eye health. Mashed avocado. Add water. And knead to form a soft dough. Leave it to rest for 10 minutes while we prepare the filling. This potato filling will be used for two different variations. Grate the boiled potato, then add salt, diced red onions, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves, paprika powder, anardana or dried pomegranate powder, coriander seeds, and cumin seeds. Mix well. Divide the filling into two portions and into one add grated cheese. Curry leaves and avocado paratha is ready. The last paratha is a potato and cheese stuffed spinach paratha. For that, into a bowl, add whole wheat flour, salt, caram or ajwain seeds, olive oil, pureed spinach. Spinach is one of the most nutritious vegetables and is rich in many vitamins and minerals. Then knead to form a soft dough. Leave it aside to rest. To make this paratha, I've added the potato and cheese mixture, the paratha is ready. I made all these parathas on the same day as a part of meal prep. Very useful, especially after a long day at work, and they freeze well. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and please do let me know if you do get to try out these recipes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till I see you next time, take care. Bye bye.